The Digi Yatra app was launched in December 2022 by the government to make air travel more convenient for passengers. Recently, registrations on the app crossed the 1 million mark. Varanasi has seen the highest percentage of passengers using this service. Let's understand the app and how it could save your time and effort. Digi Yatra is an initiative of the Ministry of Civil Aviation that allows passengers to enter airport and board their flights using facial biometric verification technology. This way, passengers don't have to wait for manual verification of tickets and IDs or stand in long queues. The data of passengers, including essential documents and IDs, is stored within the Digi Yatra wallet on a user's smartphone and shared with the airport from where they are traveling. Everything is encrypted and only shared for a limited period of time. According to the Civil Aviation Ministry, there is no central storage of passengers' personally identifiable information. The service was initially introduced at 3 airports, New Delhi, Varanasi and Bengaluru, and has since been extended to Hyderabad, Pune, Vijayawada and Kolkata. Have you used this facility yet? Do tell us in the comments. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.